What if I told you that mastering just a few words could unlock the full power of AI? That's the magic of prompt engineering. Whether you're chatting with ChatGPT, designing AI art, or automating your business, prompts are the steering wheel of AI. Welcome to Simply AI Explained. And today you're getting the ultimate beginner's guide to prompt engineering. Let's break it down step by step, in a way anyone can understand. No tech jargon, just powerful, simple strategies. So, what is prompt engineering? At its core, it's the art and science of crafting inputs that guide an AI to give you better outputs. Think of it like giving instructions to a super-intelligent assistant. The clearer and more precise your prompt, the better the AI performs. Whether you're writing a story, generating code, planning a vacation, or creating a marketing strategy, the prompt is everything. Prompt engineering is not about coding, it's about communication, and you don't need to be a tech expert to learn it. Let's look at a basic example. Say you write, "Tell me about dogs." You'll get a generic answer. But try this. Act as a veterinarian and explain how to care for a senior golden retriever with arthritis. Now the AI knows your context, your role, and your goal. Here's the simple structure that works 90% of the time. 1. Role, act as a. 2. Task, do this thing. 3. Context, here's the situation. 4. Format, output it like this. Let's say, act as a YouTube scriptwriter, write a 60-second video about AI for teenagers, formatted in bullet points. Boom, that's a strong prompt. Let's try a real-world scenario. You're starting an online business and want help writing your product description. You could just say, write a description for a water bottle. Or you could engineer it. Act as an e-commerce copywriter. Write a compelling, emotional product description for a 20-ounce insulated water bottle aimed at hikers. Use persuasive language and highlight benefits over features. See the difference? Prompt engineering gives you control. It turns vague ideas into laser-focused results. Here's a secret most pros won't tell you. Prompt engineering is 50% writing, 50% testing. You'll rarely get a perfect result the first time. That's okay. Try changing the tone, role, or format. Add constraints like word limits or specific styles. For example, write this in the style of Dr. Seuss. Limit this to 3 bullet points. Use a friendly, funny tone. Prompt tweaking is how beginners become experts. Now let's look at the most common types of prompts and how to use them. 1. Writing prompts. Blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, all benefit from structured, detailed prompts. Example. Write a 300-word blog post on 3 ways to reduce stress. Use friendly language and include a call to action. 2. Coding prompts. Need a Python function or website template? Act as a Python expert. Write a function that sorts a list of numbers from highest to lowest and explain each step. 3. Learning research prompts. For learning fast, explain quantum physics to a 12-year-old using analogies. Summarize the main ideas of this research paper in 5 bullet points. 4. Image generation prompts. Tools like DALL-E or MidJourney use descriptive prompts. 3D Pixar-style robot in a neon city at sunset. Cinematic lighting, wide angle, highly detailed. Good news, you don't have to start from scratch. There are amazing tools that help you become a prompt pro fast. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Great for writing, coding, brainstorming. Claude, Anthropic. Awesome for reading long PDFs, creative writing. Gemini, Google. Tight Google integration, fast search-like answers. MidJourney, DALL-E. For image generation, PromptHero.com, FlowGPT.com. Free libraries of community-tested prompts. Use these to get inspiration, adapt proven templates, and learn by example. Here are 5 expert-level tips that can take your prompts to the next level. 1. Use examples in your prompt. Write like this. Insert short example. 2. Stack prompts for multi-step tasks. First, Summarize, then rewrite in poetic form. 3. Avoid vague words like cool or interesting. Be specific. Make it upbeat and humorous. 5. Ask the AI to reflect on its answer. Now explain why you gave that answer. 5. Reuse successful prompts as templates. Save your best ones in a prompt library. Let's recap what we covered today. What prompt engineering is. How to structure effective prompts. Common prompt types tools to help you pro tips that make a difference. Prompt engineering is your key to unlocking AI's full potential. Whether you're a student, business owner, or just curious, learning to prompt well is a skill you'll use for years to come.
Thanks for watching Simply AI Explained. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop your best prompt in the comments. This is AI Amy, wishing you happy prompting. See you in the next one.